Akshay and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Ayurvedic herbal hair oil. This oil really helped me in curing all my hair problems and also helped my hair grow more healthy, long and strong. So I will also give you an update on my hair. Like in previous video I had shaved all of my hair from my head in 22 years. I have been applying it since 50 days. So the hair that you see on my head are the growth after 50 plus days. Okay, I will show you some clips of the before, that the bald head, and now. So before after you'll see. I'm really happy with the results. My dandruff is completely gone. My hair fall, I have no hair fall. Literally, I don't see any hair falling off. And what I have been doing is that every day after shower, I have been applying this hair oil and massaging on my scalp generous amount, like 2-3 pumps of this. I've been doing that, and which is why my hair scalp has not been dry. And this hair oil has so many nutrients in it, it's like nourishing my scalp. So I will tell you all the benefits of this oil in the middle of the process, and at the end I will show you how to apply this oil. So stick for the entire video, watch the entire video and let me know how was it. So let's get started. So for the ingredients, I have taken 2 medium-sized onions, 4 sticks of fresh aloe vera, a full bunch of holy basil or tulsi, and a bunch of curry leaves. These all ingredients promote hair growth. I will mention the benefits of each ingredient on screen as well as in detail in the description box, so make sure you check description box for all the details. And now let's talk about oil. For the base oil, I have taken 100% pure coconut oil from Parachute brand. This is half a liter of bottle. And I'll be also putting 200 ml of castor oil, which is also really good for your skin and hair. Also, I am going to put Biotique Bio Bhringraj hair oil, which promotes hair growth and cures hair fall and alopecia. I had this oil, so I'm gonna put the rest of it. You can totally skip this one, you don't need to put it. I just had it, so I'm gonna use it. So now I have plucked all the leaves from the Tulsi or holy basil bunch and I have collected it over here. We're gonna wash it nicely, and also I'm going to wash the curry leaves as well, which I plucked, and both separately I'm gonna wash nicely. Over here I have washed the leaves. Now we'll just cut and chop the aloe vera and onions. So over here I'm just gonna pat dry the leaves which I've washed. You don't need the moisture or any drop of water in your oil. So with some tissue papers and newspaper underneath, I'm just gonna drain and soak up all the water and make it completely dry. So guys, I want to add a side note that if you can find hibiscus or shoe flowers, make sure you add a bunch of them. Those are really good for your hair. Just roughly chop and add them. And also if you can find neem leaves or neem oil, then you can add that as well, as neem has good antibacterial and antifungal properties. I could not find those ingredients in time, so I've skipped them, but you can totally add them. Also, another side note that I want to add is that this oil has really bad repellent smell to it, as we have put all the raw ingredients, especially onion and curry leaves, which make this oil smell like pakoras or sabzi. Yes, this really smells like that. So if you really don't want that kind of smell, then please add onion seeds instead of fresh onions, which will help notch down the smell a bit. And if you don't want to wear this oil outside, as this has really bad smell, you can just massage it overnight and wash your hair in the morning so that the smell will go away. I was using this in lockdown, so I had no problem because I was not going outside anywhere, so I don't mind the smell. But yes, for the first 2 days the smell was really bad, but then I got used to it. So just giving you heads up that it has really pungent, strong pakoda kind of smell. And just you can add onion seeds instead of fresh onions. So as you can see, I have roughly chopped the onions and aloe vera. So I have taken a large wok. You can take a large saucepan as well. I have taken an old wok over here because if you use a new wok or saucepan, the oil might create some stains on it and you don't want that. So I'm using a clean washed old wok over here on a low to medium flame, and I'm going to put all the oils first. Make sure your flame is low to medium because if you put on high flame, the oil might get burned or the ingredients might get burned, and we want this process to be as slow as possible so that we can extract all the nutrients without burning the oil. Now once the oil is heated enough, I'm gonna put all the onions, chopped onions and aloe vera as well, and we're gonna let this simmer and boil and take its own time to extract all the flavors. So I'm gonna stir it lightly and let it simmer for as long as it takes. This usually took me around 20 to 30 minutes for the entire oil to boil and extract flavors. This is how it looks once it's simmering for around 10 minutes. You can see the foam and froth coming out of it. It's because we have used fresh onion and aloe vera as well, so the moisture in it makes this froth and foam. Do not worry. And this is when after 15 minutes you can see little brown color coming out of it, but you'll just need to keep stirring and stirring and let it boil and extract all the flavors. Still, as you can see, the onion and aloe vera are not cooked yet, so you need a brown, little light brown consistency. And now as you can see, this is around 20 minutes down the line, and this is 25 minutes. I've switched off the flame. The aloe vera and onions have turned light brown, and I'm just gonna let it sit like this and let it cool at room temperature. So now once the oil is cooled, what I'm going to do, I'm going to reheat the oil because we have to add our leaves as well. We have to add leaves at the end because those take very less time to cook, and onions and aloe vera have a lot of moisture, so they take a lot of time to cook. So we have extracted the flavors of onion and aloe vera first, and now we're going to move towards the leaves. So as you can see, the oil is reheated. It's foaming and frothing once again, and now we're gonna put all the leaves of Tulsi and curry leaves, and we're gonna mix it and stir it. So this is around after 10 to 15 minutes. The leaves have been cooked, they have turned a little brown, and then the oil is frothing and foaming even more. As you can see, all the ingredients have been completely cooked, and the flavors have been extracted, and the nutrients as well. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch off the flame, close the lid, and just let it completely cool down at room temperature. Now as you can see, it is cooled at room temperature, and you can clearly see the oil and the ingredients. The oil has turned slightly yellowish green, which has extracted all the nutrients and flavors and color from the ingredients. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a clean aluminium container below, and I'm going to take a steel strainer so that I can filter all the ingredients out and only have the oil left at the bottom. I'm just going to pour all the oil and ingredients down. So now I'm going to squeeze all the juices and remaining oil from the ingredients. So now this is how our oil looks. It has got nice green golden color, and I have taken this Biotique Bringraj oil. Whatever remaining oil is left, you can skip this one. I just had it, so I'm going to use it to add extra nutrients to this oil. And then I have this squeeze bottle, which we usually use for hand washes. I have cleaned, washed properly, dried it out, and make sure there is no moisture in it. And you can take any plastic bottle or any pump bottle. So once it's dried completely, I'm going to put all my oil, which has been cooled at room temperature, in this pump bottle, which will be easier for me to pump out oil whenever I need it, and which will also not add on the moisture from the air in it, so the oil won't oxidize. So you need an airtight container for this. And as you can see, I have poured and sealed, and our oil is ready, and I'm going to show you how I apply it further. So guys, I hope you found that process interesting on how to make this herbal hair oil, and now I'm going to show you how I apply it every day. So I take generous pumps, 2 or 3 pumps, and I just put it on my head like this, and I just rub it in on my scalp, and I nicely massage it so my scalp is completely coated and rubbed in with this oil. Then I do like this, and then the sideburns. I can really smell the Tulsi and onion and all of that. The smell is quite repelling, but the benefits are really good. I'm gonna take one more pump because I really want to massage it. That's one more pump, and then I'm gonna massage the corners of my head, and then this part where my hairline is a little bit receding, I'm gonna massage there as well. And believe me guys, I'm seeing baby hairs over here when before there was no hair over here. And I will see you all in another video. If you like this video, just comment down below, like this video, share this video, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.